Good afternoon once again. You see my roses, guys, so beautiful. This is bio. I use only the manure of the horse and a cow. Look, magnific is everywhere in our yard. Amazing. Different color everywhere that I'm planting here. Look at that. This is how I look after my yard here in Normandy, France. Look, small apple but give us a lot of fruits. My next video is about my yard in fruits. Roses everywhere in our yard. Great. This is a beautiful color. Let's go over here. This is also a different one. You see that? It gives us a lot of satisfaction. Look over there. Magnifico, la la. Wow. This is a perfect color. Beautiful roses. Oh, it's incredible this color. You see that? Oh, it's a variegated color. Let's come over here. La 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 la, more on different colors. This one is so nice. Oh wow. You see that? Oh. Let's look outside. It's a massive one upstairs. Oh, so nice, this flower. You know what is my technique? Cultivate, watering, and just use bio fertilizer. Is a grass and a manure of the how you put that in manure of a horse. Let's come over here and I will show you a lot of surprise in my garden. Magnific! Oh la 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 la! I'm missing this garden. Roses everywhere in my yard. Different kind of flowers that I have here. Oh, this is a lavender. Rhododendron, but it's almost done. The season of this flower, look. But look. Oh, what is this flower? I have here roses. We call this anniversary rose. It's a massive. Wow. Color is red, but it's too dry. I think I need to cut this flower. Let's go back there because after I will show you a different flower for my next video. This is how I look after. You take care, he give you a lot of happiness. Happiness means they give flower. Oh wow! Wow! I'm missing this rose. This variety, by the way, it's anniversary rose. Oh, this one is nice one. You know how you call this? Lirio. And guys, I have also a lot of different kinds of berries. This is how I look after my beautiful roses here in our garden. My daughter loves roses and she really give a full time taking care of this rose. I'm just here during the weekend and my daughter is looking after this during the week. You know, once again, technique to the roses every morning. She discussed to the rose every morning and she, good morning roses. Technique number one, just use compost fertilizer. And also, by the way, we put roasted eggshell. We put in the oven, and then after we grind it and we spread in every plant we have here. It's not only to the roses, but also of all the fruits. And I show you, this one is our apple. This one I said is a perfect. Thank you so much everyone for watching. Please don't forget to like and share my video. This is Tita Yagi here in Normandy, France. Oh, it start to be ripe. Oh, I need to harvest this now. Grocery. Oh la la. Wow. Oh la 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 la. Look at that. Thank you so much everyone for watching. Please don't forget to like and share my video. Have a nice day.